good afternoon. Kakatapos ko lang mag-workout. And sobrang pawis na pawis ako ngayon. Alam niyo ba guys, ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Umuulan siya while nag-workout ako. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung view ko. It's raining right now guys. I don't know kung makikita niyo, pero ang ganda ng weather dito talaga sa terrace namin pag nag-workout ako. After ko mag-workout, I always make sure to drink my wellness protein from Timmy. Nakakatulong siya para i-lessen yung cravings ko. At dahil din dito, hindi na din ako bloated. By the way, this one, I bought this one on Shopee and sobrang nice lang niya. So if you guys are interested to buy this one, ilalagay ko sa screen kung saan shop ko siya nabili. Gusto ko na i-share sa inyo guys yung bagong nabili ko sa Shopee. Another Shopee budol na naman. This one is actually tripod na pwedeng maging monopod. It's also wireless. So for nagustuhan ko talaga siya. I'm so happy today kasi 100k na tayo sa TikTok guys. Thank you so much for following me. At sa mga hindi pa naka-follow sa akin, ilalagay ko yung TikTok ko dito guys para ma-follow kayo. And as you can see, nakapag-ayos ako today kasi kukunin namin yung cake. And of course, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Wow! Wow! Happy 100k!
Do you remember the day we first met? It was a Sunday about 2 p.m. You said you liked me, so we ditched our friends. Went to the movies, that's how this began.
Happy 100k on TikTok. Thank you so much guys. My heart is really happy right now. And I wanna thank Bite Cakes for my cake. Sobrang ganda ng pagka-design nila. And yes, thank you so much. Happy 100k! Hey humans! Good morning! I'm on my bare face right now. Kakatapos ko lang kumain guys. And diretso agad ako dito sa kwarto ko. Hindi pa nga ako naghilamos eh. Sobrang tinatamad ako lately. But before we start our day, meron akong isi-share sa inyo guys na bagong addition ko sa aking skincare routine. Ito yung collagen drink guys. It's from Aquaskin. So this one is a food supplement na merong glutathione, ascorbic acid, and salmon ovary peptide. Inside this box, guys, meron siyang 10 vials. Tapos, meron din siyang drinking straw. In 1 vial din, it contains 15 ml of products. So, try tayo ng isa. Ang sakto din kasi kakatapos ko lang kumain. Shake lang natin siya before natin inumin. First time ko tong i-try and tignan natin kung anong lasa niya. Ang sarap. It has this peach flavor. Kung pwede lang talaga, mag-inom pa ako na isa eh. Kaso yung advice lang is 1 vial per day. Alam nyo ba, habang tumatanda tayo, naglilas yung collagen sa ating katawan. Kaya it's very important talaga na mag-take tayo ng collagen. Hindi lang benefit ng collagen yung makukuha nyo dito. Nakakatulong din siya to promote faster skin cell production for a more glowing skin. Nakaka-prevent din siya ng fine lines and wrinkles. Nakaka-prevent din siya ng skin irritation, inflammation, and redness. At yung gustong-gusto sa lahat, nakakatulong din siya to burn those excess fat sa ating katawan. So in short, meron siyang slimming effect. Pinapalesen din niya yung pag-crave mo palagi ng foods. Kaya siguro ang dami din nagtitake nito kasi hindi lang siyang pampabata, pampaputi, kundi meron din siyang pampapayat. So if you guys are interested to try this one, ilalagay ko yung details niya sa description box. Hey guys! Sobrang nakaka-drain talaga ng energy yung init. But now, nasa mall kami and we're having a mother and daughter bonding time. So, nagpa-pedi and mani kami today. Let me see your nails. Wow! So pretty. Blackpink yarn. Nandito kami ngayon sa Shop 24 kasi bibili kami ng drinks. What should we buy? Meron silang soft drinks dito. Or juice. Or may C2. Kuha din tayo ng mga junk foods. Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now and time check, it's now 4 p.m. and I'm with my family! Napag-isipan namin today na magpupool kami kasi sobrang init talaga ng Pilipinas. Kaya pupunta kami ngayon sa swimming pool. Kakatapos lang namin bumili ng mga foods and drinks. So now we're heading there right now. Pero mag-stop muna kami dito sa gas station kasi gusto na daw na yung tumae talaga. Hindi na niya mapigilan. We are now here, nasa Mimars. On to our third destination, guys. Meron daw swimming pool / falls din dito. So, I guess malapit na kami. Sana bukas sila. Ito na yan, guys. Ayan. So, madaming mga swimming pool dito, guys. And we are heading there. Welcome to Maze Park and Resort. Meron silang ostrich. Hey, hey! Hello! Hi! Uy, what's wrong? Candy nga na ibang. Hello. Nag-exist siya, guys. Busy yarn. Yung pinuntahan naming pool is mag-cleaning na sila and they don't accept overnight na. So, lahat ng swimming pool na gusto namin puntahan, lahat sila closed, guys.
1 hour later.
Ginabi na kami kakahanap ng swimming pool. Palabas na kami ng Iligan City and time check, it's now 6:25 p.m. na. Sana makahanap kami ng place na makapag-chill kami. Grabe, ang lahi na ng inabot namin. Ito na guys, we are here at SPCR Resort. It's now 7:20 p.m. We are now here and it's very windy. Yung aso talaga, pinagtitripan talaga si Bernard. Talaga, matagal yun. This is going to be our table for tonight. Hindi din kasi kami magtatagal and excuse me for the mess. Ito yung view namin guys. Medyo madilim lang siya. And wavy ngayon. So, I don't know kung pwede kaming maligo or it's safe ba maligo. Pero, we'll see later. By the way, nirent namin yun for 800 pesos. Tapos, yung entrance fee is 40 pesos. This one naman is 1,200 pesos. Hi! Hi, ma! So, yung mga girls, pa-selfie-selfie lang dito. Tapos, yung mga boys yung nagluluto. Diba? Ang sarap ng buhay. So, we're going to visit them and andito sila nagluluto. Hi, good looking. Our dinner for tonight. Hi. Hi pa.
Better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.